be an architect? Wondering what life of an architecture student is like? Hello, hope you're safe. We are here to introduce ourselves. We are CMRU School of Architecture. At CMR School of Architecture, we're known for our maker-centric approach. We believe learning should be multidisciplinary and hands-on, both within and outside the classroom environment. Our curriculum engages students in numerous workshops, where they experiment with a range of tools and building techniques. You can paint, work with clay, and even make furniture in our makerspace. At the school, you will learn to observe life within and outside buildings, ideate and develop concepts. You will analyze, understand, and make connections. You will learn to reflect and think critically, create in your mind and on paper, and eventually build in the real world. We also believe that failure is important in the learning process, and we can find great ideas in our failed experiments. Do you have what it takes to be an architecture student? Apart from being creative, you need to be hardworking and consistent, and manage your time well. Sleepless nights are part and parcel of any design education. But don't worry, your classmates and faculty are fellow night owls. To help you stay up, our classrooms, which we call studios, are open 24/7. You can work on your projects and collaborate with peers. Learning how to work within a group, respecting different opinions, encouraging skill sharing, and striving towards a common goal are crucial for a positive studio culture. In the 5 years of the program, you will go on multiple excursions and site visits. These trips are mandatory as they expose you to histories, cultures, and building techniques prevalent both within and outside the country. Within the campus, you can be part of many extracurricular activities and celebrations. We embrace our diversity, and we believe in forming a strong community of students, alumni, and faculty. We are open for admissions. Our new semester begins in August 2020. So the real question is, are you ready to be a part of CMRU School of Architecture? More videos to follow.